guys, Happy New Year. I hope you had an amazing Christmas time wherever in the world you are. So we're in January and I like to call it the detox month because it's the time where we all go on a diet, we all join the gym, and we all want to eat healthy to shed off those pounds that we put over the Christmas time. And I think this lemon and rosemary chicken is the perfect recipe to start the year. It's super easy to make, it's very little fat, almost no oil. So let's not delay and let's go straight into the recipe. I've got 6 on the bone chicken thighs that I removed all the internal fat and part of the skin to make it less fatty. You can also use boneless chicken thighs, but I really encourage you to use on the bone as this adds lots of flavor to the meat. If you want to know how I remove the internal fat, let me know in the comments below. Then season with salt and black pepper to taste and add the lemon juice. Of course, lemon and rosemary chicken needs to have rosemary, so we need to chop the rosemary very fine to avoid hard leaves when eating. Add it to the chicken and mix well using the bag. Leave to marinate at least an hour in the fridge or better overnight. Whilst the chicken is marinating, slice half a lemon and half a lime and start to put together the dish ready for the oven. In a skillet or baking tray, make a bed of rosemary and thyme sprigs. These will release their aroma and flavor when cooking, infusing the chicken with even more flavor. Then add lemon and lime slices. Be aware that the lemon and lime slices will add a slight bitter flavor to the dish. If you prefer it without it, you can peel off the rind of the fruits and leave just the pulp slices. Then arrange the chicken thighs, skin side up. Add the white wine, water, the juice of half a lemon and more lemon slices on top. You don't have to add these lemon slices, but I really like this recipe extra lemony. At this point, add the garlic, which you can crush or add a whole or in halves. It doesn't really matter. To finish, add a drizzle of olive oil. Cover with aluminum foil and put it in a preheated oven at 200 degrees for 20 minutes. After, uncover the chicken and leave to cook for 45 minutes or until golden brown on top, between 190 and 200 degrees. And this is my lemon and rosemary chicken with white wine. Soft, succulent, herby citrus chicken with crispy skin. I like to serve it with white rice and lots of that herby sauce over it. Although the chicken was cooked for quite a long time, because of the herb bed, wine and water, the chicken remains soft and juicy. And the best thing, it has very little fat but tons of flavor. Thank you for watching. Head on to the blog for the ingredient quantities. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Don't forget to check out some of my other videos recipe, which I leave at the end of this video, and see you next week with another delicious recipe. Bye!